Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There are three farais of ghusl. If any one of them is excluded, ghusl will not be done. First farz is rinsing of mouth. It is essential to pass water in mouth over every part, every cavity from lips to the end of the throat. Water must reach the cavities behind the teeth. Gaps to remove all food particles inside it. Second farz is sniffing water inside the nose in a way that not a single hair of nose remains dry. If mucus is accumulated inside the nose, it is first to remove it. Otherwise, the ghusl will be invalid. Third farz is washing of whole apparent body once. If some part of the body, even equal to the hair, remains dry, ghusl will be invalid. These are three farais of ghusl requires special care to perform it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
For more informative videos, subscribe our channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.